Oh, hello. Welcome back. Good morning to Canada English. 76 English phrases every traveler needs to learn. Most importantly, the greetings. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Hi. Hey. Hello. Hi. Hey. How are you? How are you? How's it going? How's it going? These questions normally come after the greetings. It is used to ask somebody how they're feeling. So you want to use these before the following 76 English phrases every traveler should know. Let's get started. At the airport, I would like. This phrase is the standard and polite way to say that you want or you would desire something. I would like. I would like some water. What time is my flight? What time is my flight? What airline am I flying? What airline am I flying? An airline is the company which owns the plane you're flying on. Where is my gate? Where is my gate? A gate is the point of entry to the airplane, and it is the place where you will wait before boarding your flight. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? A restroom is a CR, WC. A restroom is a place where you go to freshen up and use the toilet. How much does that magazine cost? Who wants to travel without some entertainment by asking how much a particular magazine, a book like publication with short article costs? You can figure out how much money you have to pay for it. On the airplane, are meals included? Excuse me, are meals included? A meal is a collection of food served at one time. May I have something to eat or drink? Your meals aren't included? Use this phrase to get some food or a drink, anyways. May I purchase headphones? May I purchase headphones? What good is a television on the plane if you don't have any headphones? What time is it? What time is it? This is a standard question for figuring out what time of day it is. At customs, I have a connecting flight. I have a connecting flight. If you've arrived in a country where you will not be staying, this is how you say you will be boarding another plane to go somewhere else. I'm traveling for leisure. I'm traveling for leisure. If you're traveling for fun or for vacation, use this phrase to let the officer know. Excuse me. I'm traveling for work. I I am traveling for work. If you're traveling on behalf of your company or you are on business, this phrase will tell the officer that. I will be here for 10 days. I will be here for 20 days. Give the number of days you will be at your English speaking destination. I will be here for days. I am visiting family. I am visiting family. If you have family members at your destination, the customs officer will want to know this. Make sure you tell them the name and address of your family if they ask. I'm staying at I'm staying at my family. I'm staying at a hotel. The customs officer may ask you where you'll be sleeping at your destination. Have the name of your hotel ready. Okay. Arriving at your destination. Do you have a map? Do you have a map? Using a map, a picture guide of your destination, will definitely be helpful to find things around your destination like a restaurant, attractions, tourist locations that you want to see, and even your hotel. Where is the currency exchange? Where is the currency exchange? A currency exchange is a place where you take the money you use in your own country and get it changed to the money at your destination. Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Finding a bus stop will be especially helpful if you want to find a cheap way to get around. Asking, where is this bus going, will also be helpful to know if you're heading to the right place. Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? No bus? That's fine. Take a taxi. It's also called a cab in some places. I would like to go to I would like to go to the bank. Fill in the blank where the place you want to go and you will be on your way. Do you know where this hotel is? Do you know where this hotel is? If you get lost, always trying to find your way back to the hotel. I don't understand. I don't understand. This phrase will help native English speakers know that English isn't your first language. You can also say, I don't speak English very well. I don't speak English very well. And ask them to please speak slowly. Please speak slowly if you're having trouble. At the hotel. Does the room have a bathroom? Does the room have a bathroom? As noted before, bathroom is another word for restroom. So is washroom and toilets. WC. It's always good to know whether your room has a private bathroom, one that only you use, or a shared bathroom, one that people from multiple rooms use. How many beds are in the room? How many beds are in the room? This question will also be helpful to know if there are enough places to sleep for the number of people in your hotel room. I would like one queen bed, please. I would like one queen bed, please. A queen bed is one that allows two people to sleep comfortably on it. I would like two double beds, please. I would like two double beds, please. Two people can sleep on a double bed, but sometimes only one person sleeps in a double bed, so they have extra space. What floor am I on? What floor am I on? A floor in this situation refers to the level of the hotel. Where are the elevators? Where are the elevators? In the event that you are on a high floor, you may want to use the elevator. How do I access the internet? How do I access the internet? Some hotels may have Wi-Fi. Is there a free breakfast? Is there a free breakfast? Some hotels include a small breakfast, free of charge. My room needs towels. My room needs towels. Most of the time, housekeeping, the people who clean the room, make sure that you have everything you need. My room is messy and I would like it cleaned. My room is messy and I would like it cleaned. Should the room not be clean, don't be afraid to ask. How do I call for room service? How do I call for room service? Room service means that someone will come up to your room to deliver food. How do I call down to the front desk? How do I call down to the front desk? The front desk is another word for the reception desk. The reception desk. Most are open all day and night. And if you need something, you should call down to these people first. Thank you very much. Goodbye.